I'm here today with my friend Melanie Bunting Seymour. We came over to Pensacola, Florida to check out a store that neither one of us have ever heard of. Well, I've never heard of it. You've heard of it just recently.
Yeah.
Called Duh.
D-U-H.
So it's got interior furniture and exterior furniture. So between the two of us, I'm sure that we'll find a ton of stuff to like foam at the mouth over and be sad that we can't take home. I don't know. We're going to go check it out and see what they got.
I'm excited.
So what do you think of Duh?
I am super overstimulated right now.
I need to go take a nap.
It was a lot. I definitely was not disappointed. Like, I don't feel like there's anything that I can think about that was lacking at all. Can you?
They had all the things.
I mean, there's
They
like
have all the things.
a building and a building and another building and another building. There's a
men's
restaurant.
There's men's clothes, women's clothes, stationery, custom stationery, perfume, shoes,
Candles, lots of candles.
plants, pots, outdoor furniture, indoor furniture, mirrors. Like,
Yeah, but
one
come
of
check
us is
out Duh.
mad.
It was very cool.
yeah, I liked it. We'll be back.